स्टार्ट करें.
Now we have reached the end of this 2-day online capacity building program. In education, technology can be a life changer, but teachers and mentors are the real game changers in the life of their students. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a pleasure to be addressing this august gathering of eminent scholars. I am personally grateful for being a part of this topical and exceptionally relevant seminar. This 2-day event reflects the growing realization that we have to adapt to the changing environment and prepare ourselves well to meet the emerging challenges in the field of education. Now, I would request some of our senior teachers and principals to give their feedbacks regarding this 2-day online capacity building program. First, I would like to request Madam Prachi Jha from DAV Public School, Topa. Prachi ma'am, please.
Yes, madam. Good evening to everyone. Good evening, Honorable ARO sir, Honorable all dignitary principals present here, and I wish to a lot of thanks that they give me chance to talk here. यथा चित्तम तथा वाचो, यथा वाचस तथा क्रिया, चित्ते वाचे क्रियायाम च साधुनाम एक रूपता. Meaning, we learned a lot of ideas, strategies over here. But this 2 days workshop will be fruitful only when we implement all the ideas, all these strategies we learned here in our online classroom. We deal with our students, whatever we learned here, when that things will be implemented, that only this webinar will be fruitful. And I am always thankful to our organization DAV CMC, DAV CAE, Honorable ARO sir, my principal Mr. AK Prakhar sir, and all the principal who gave us chance to learn, to bright more in the sky of this teaching learning process. And the successful webinar went within these 2 days, and the credit of this success of webinar goes to the participant teachers also, because the learning can become fruitful or resultful only when there is a good trainer and there is a good learner also. And for all the participants were teacher also. And the most difficult thing is for a teacher is to remain silent and to behave like a good student. But all the participants, they behaved very patiently. They learned like us students. And at last, I want to say that उद्यमीन ही सिद्धन्ते कार्याणि न मनोरथः नहीं सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगा. अर्थात जो भी हमने देखा, जो भी हमने सीखा, वो तभी कार्यरूप में होगा जब हमने जो बातें यहाँ की, जो थॉट्स हमने देखे, जो आइडियाज हमने देखे, that will be actually implemented in our classroom. Thank you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your inspiring words. And on the screen, we can see the glimpse of the 2-day online capacity building program. Now, I would like to request Lalan Kumar sir from DAV Public School, Pakur, to join us and inspire us with his feedback.
Esteemed Regional Director, Dr. P. Hadra sir, Honorable Cluster Head, RTC Jharkhand Zone H, Mr. S.K. Misra sir, and respected Master Trainer, Resource Person, and participant of different subjects. Good evening, all of you. I, Lalan Kumar, PGT Chemistry, offering my valedictory address. It is great privilege for me to be part of this 2 days capacity building program as a resource person in chemistry. It has been a great learning experience for all of us. As our learned cluster head, Mr. S.K. Misra sir, in his inaugural speech, had highlighted how we all need to sharpen our tools to remain relevant as a teacher. I express my deep gratitude to our Honorable Principal Sir, Dr. Vijay Kumar Sir, also an expert in chemistry, for his active support. Keeping in mind the new education policy, we need to have a child-centric, that is a learning-centric teaching, or a learner-based teaching, activity-based teaching, play-based learning method, art-integrated method. It should be applied in new education policy. Thank you so much for making this capacity building program webinar a great success. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot. Now, I would request Shri S.S. Singh from BNSJV Public School, Giridih, to share his thoughts.
नमस्कार। एच के ARO महोदय, क्लस्टर प्रभारी महोदय एवं इस सेमिनार में आयोजन में सम्मिलित सभी शिक्षिकाओं सभी को नमस्कार। यह आयोजन 2 दिवसीय क्लस्टर का आयोजन था। सेमिनार का सचमुच बहुत ही प्रभावशाली रहा और 2 दिवसीय प्रशिक्षण के दौरान आज के समय में ऑनलाइन शिक्षण को कैसे बढ़ावा दिया जाए, किन किन साधनों का प्रयोग किया जाए, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला। सचमुच मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि ऐसे चीजों को सीखने को मिला और सभी शिक्षकगण जितने भी सेमिनार में शामिल हुए सबको बहुत ही अच्छा से सीखने को मिला, प्रभावशाली रहा। हाँ, इन्हें कक्षा के दौरान ऑनलाइन टीचिंग के दौरान जब हम अपनाते हैं तो विद्यार्थी भी बहुत कुछ सीख पाएगा और शिक्षकों को भी आत्मसंतुष्टि मिल सकेगी। आने वाले दिनों में सेमिनार में ऐसे आयोजन कुछ और पाठों को, कुछ और अभियुक्तियों को शामिल किया जाना चाहिए ताकि शिक्षक हमारे अपने ज्ञान को संवर्धन कर सकें और प्रस्तुत कर सकें। कुल मिलाकर निष्कर्ष के रूप में मैं अपनी बात रखूं तो सेमिनार का आयोजन सफल रहा, सराहनीय रहा। आप सभी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद sir. Now, I would like to request Principal CCL JV Giridih, Bhaiya Abhinav sir, to kindly share his words of wisdom with us. Sir, please.
Very good afternoon to one and all. It was really a very pleasant, enthusiastic participation of all the teachers of different subjects. Our Honorable ARO Jharkhand Zone H and coordinator of the capacity building program of this zone, Dr. P. Hajra sir, our energetic and very innovative cluster in charge, Sri S.K. Misra Sahab, my colleagues, learned principals of different schools of this zone, master trainers, those who are pedestal of this capacity building program, and all my dear learned teachers, participants of this program. Kudos to all the vibrant team of this Jharkhand Zone H under the leadership of our Honorable ARO, Sri Hajra Sahab, for this successful completion of the 2 days capacity building program. Now, when we have ended up this marathon of 2 days of dozens of sessions of different subjects, pouring their experiences and their skills among the participants through this webinar, sharing their great ideas, their very appreciating ideas among their colleagues. Now, the onus goes to all the teachers of this zone who have to effectively transfer the learning outcome of this capacity building program to our students when we interact with the student either offline or online. As we all know that however sharp an axe is, it needs regular sharpening to remain effective all the time. Same thing is true in teaching also. Things are changing very fast. Everyone realize it. The environment is changing. The nature of the stakeholders of school is also changing. The syllabus is being modified very frequently. Variety of teaching tools are coming up, mostly through technology. The expectation of society from teaching fraternity is also changing. And then the different new concepts through this new education policy is coming up and getting roots in the system of education. And all these things are to be viewed by all the teachers. So challenges are many, but solution is one. That is what we call unlearn, learn, and relearn. And this capacity building program is one of the effort in this direction. When we innovate and when we get some new idea, we want a platform to share to each other so that when 10 people sits, everyone shares, everyone becomes 10 times wiser. And this is the purpose of this capacity building program. Sharing and learning and then empowering ourselves so that we can fit ourselves in this challenging situation. So giving stress upon the learning and relearning, Einstein also once said, give me 6 hours of chop down tree, give me 6 hours to chop down a tree and I will spend the first 4 hours sharpening the axe. This emphasizes how important it is for the regular refreshing ourselves, and not only refreshing, accept new things also and improve ourselves, improve our skills. The purpose of such capacity building program is the same. We try to innovate, share, and learn new tools and techniques for more effective teaching. In this connection, I wish to appeal to all our learned teachers, few things which I keep on sharing with my school teachers also, that please equip and empower yourself with more and more technology blended teaching skills. This is the need of the time. Many of you are very much efficient, and I have seen through different sessions, some of the teachers were beautifully prepared and presented their lessons. But still we have to learn so many other tools also. And it is available everywhere. It is easily available. It is just a matter how quickly we imbibe them, blend in our teaching. The second is design your lesson plan of each chapter, because every year we are finishing 20, 30 chapters in a subject. Why not we plan in such a manner, design the lesson plan in such a way which propagates inquiry, sense of self-discovery, and definitely a joyful way of learning. The lesson plan, that is what we call it planning for every line of the syllabus. we discuss and we plan it properly. The objective is that our children, all the children, the brilliant one, the average one, the backbenchers, the weaker one, everyone should be able to get something from us. And the third one is, this is just a humble appeal, or we can do it. Can we construct a meaningful short story leading to the main learning points of the topic to be taught? If we can attach a simple, interesting story relating to any topic that we want to begin in the class, which leads the children to think and come out to the main point of the topic, that will also be a kind of motivation to all kinds of children in the class. The capacity building program is a great opportunity for all of us, and we feel that the DAV has a great resource of our own inbuilt intellectual property. All the teachers, those who are working since many years, they have developed their own intellectual resources, and only matter is to sharing good things among all and practice it. So I once again thank to the entire Jharkhand Zone H team of teachers, master trainers, and all the principal colleagues, and especially to the cluster in charge, the visionary cluster in charge, very energetic cluster in charge, who has taken lead, guided those master trainer to plan this capacity building program and complete it successfully. And finally, thanks to our Honorable ARO, Hazra Sahab, for giving all of us an opportunity for 2 days meaningful interaction. Wishing everyone a happy and healthy day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot for motivating us. Now, there is a brief instruction regarding the feedback form. The feedback form will open, or it will be available after 8 p.m. today. In case of any problem regarding the feedback form, you have the contact of B. Ghoshal sir from the IT department, CCL DAV. The number is given in your concerned group. And yet, if you find it difficult, the number is 8210-784625. I'm repeating it, 8210-784625. There is one small information for the master trainers. The presenters or the master trainers who have taken the session, they will not fill the feedback for their respective sessions. Now, I would like to request our Honorable Cluster Head, Shri S.K. Mishra, to kindly pay the vote of thanks. Sir, please.
Thank you, madam. Location from Kishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you, Bhaiya Abhi Kumar sir. You made my job easy. Whatever intended to share with the master trainers, resource persons, and above all, the participating teachers. I think each and every point you told and discussed detailed manner. So thank you very much, sir. Madam Prachi Jha, DAV Topa, Mr. Lalan Kumar ji, DAV Pakur, Mr. SS Singh ji, DAV BNS Gridi, who were the voice of all the teachers of this 2-day capacity building program. They do deserve thanks from the bottom of my heart. While addressing us, Principal Bhaiya Abhinav Kumar ji exhorted the teachers to use storytelling method while they teach the students, whether virtually or face to face. I am a quick learner, so here I start with a short story. At a village fair, a balloon man was releasing balloons of different colors: red color, green color, yellow color, white color, and so on. A very young little boy was standing beside him. The boy approached the balloon man and he told, Uncle, if you release this black balloon, will it go as high as other balloons? The balloon man understood the point. He smiled and he told, my dear son, it is not the color of the balloon, rather it is what is inside that makes the balloon to soar up in the sky. My dear teachers, same way, we also should have certain instincts, and those instincts are inherent. And as I always say, everybody wants to be successful in his or her discourse, because success is a very sweet word. Everybody hankers for. But what exactly success is? Sometimes we face failures also. And when we face failures, we need not to get disheartened. Why? एक चुनौती है, देखो और सुधार और सफल क्या कमी रह गई, सुधार करो। सफल हो, नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम। जब तक न सफल हो, चैन को त्यागो तुम। संघर्षों का मैदान छोड़ मत भागो तुम। कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। तो वी शुड ऑलवेज ट्राई, माय डियर, And this is the takeaway of this 2-day capacity building program. We should always try, as Bhaiya sir told, is sometimes you need to give up the stereotyped methods. And he uttered the statement of a renowned educator and philosopher Toffler. Toffler says, in 21st century, illiterates are not those who are unable to read or write. In 21st century, illiterates are those who are unable to learn, unlearn, and relearn. And that's why I did exhort on the inaugural day, we need to reinvent, reposition, re-skill, and upskill ourselves. Only then we who have chosen a noble profession of teaching would survive in the society. Otherwise, we would be like any electronic gadget which gets redundant after 1 year, 2 years, and so on. So it's my humble request to all of you, whatever you have learned, this time you worked hard, and I acknowledge it because your schedule itself reflects the inputs of the teachers, You integrated art, music, physical education. You took up the key points of National Education Policy 2020 in your schedule. You discussed blended and experiential learning. Your approach was inquiry-based. But my dear colleagues, there is always a scope of improvement. What I felt out of my experiences, our fellow colleagues need some computer knowledge enrichment sessions. I would request from this platform to our worthy assistant regional officer, sir, and all my learned principal colleagues to arrange computer literacy program for all the teachers of their schools at their own level. And in days to come, we can arrange computer literacy program combinedly also by calling some experts from outside, though we have a rich heritage of our IT department. Hats off to them, all the computer science teachers of our zone who did splendidly, who worked also, and they all appreciate the effort of the teachers, the efforts of the principals, the efforts of the master trainers. So all of you, rather all of us, deserve appreciation and credit. However, if we have certain positive points, certain gray areas are also there, which we need to work upon, such as our knowledge of ICT, which I already discussed, our communication skill. We should improve our communication skill. If our communication skill is good, we would be able to transact our content to the intended recipients, I mean students. And the most important area which we need to work upon is soft skill. We do need to improve ourselves upon soft skill. I hope in days to come, we would be able to work upon all these areas, and our next capacity building program will be in different color, with different taste and flavor as well, with combined effort of all our teachers. At this outset, I take opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to our guide, philosopher, and mentor, Padma Shri Dr. Poonam Suri ji, who is a fatherly figure for all of us, and who himself is a constant source of motivation for all of us. I do acknowledge the blessings of our Director PS1 Sir, Dr. J.P. Sur Sahib, who is also an embodiment of fatherhood. He always motivates all the stakeholders. As and when we meet with him, we feel a different kind of aura around. My sincere gratitude to Dr. Nisa Pesin ma'am, who is Director Academics and Director Center for Academic Excellence. Ma'am is also an epitome of innovative ideas, best practices, and pragmatic approaches. Ma'am, we learn a lot out of the sessions which we attend as and when you address us. I would be failing in my duty if I do not acknowledge the contribution of the vibrant training team of DAV Center for Academic Excellence. All the educationists of that team, they are so supportive, they are so considerate. Hats off to them. Our Assistant Regional Officer, Dr. Hajra Sahab, stands apart. It is by virtue of conduct this session so effectively, and both of them conducted the session. So, thank you, Rohit Pathak ji and BK Singh ji. And this lofty idea was conceived by our Assistant Regional Officer, sir, and his team members. Principals of Jharkhand Zone H. I am fortunate that I got association of such a galaxy of academicians, all of them, whether they are Bhaiya Avinav Kumar ji, whether he is Dr. Vijay Kumar ji, whether he is Sri A.K. Singh ji, whether Prakhar Sahab, K.K. Singh ji, Pandey Sahab, Mr. Subodh Kumar Das ji, teacher in charge, Dr. S.N. Singh Sahab, all of them are so, considerate. They show the sense of belongingness. I learned a lot having their association. So from the core of my heart, I extend my sincere thanks to all the learned principals of our zone. They acted as a torch bearer for me personally. And the way they were involved for these 2 days with our capacity building program sessions, that is exemplary. How can I forget to acknowledge the contribution of our master trainers, resource persons, coordinating teachers, and above all, the participating teachers. They were so engrossed, they were so involved in the work. I really appreciate it, and I'm sure in days to come, there will be a paradigm shift in teaching learning processes, whether conducted through virtual mode or through face-to-face mode. And my dear colleagues, whatever you have learned out of 2 days discourse, you must transfer it to the classroom situation. I do acknowledge the contribution of technical support team. When I speak technical support team, all the IT experts, all the contributors, those who worked as a frontliner or behind the curtain, all of them deserve appreciation. And being cluster in charge of this prestigious zone, I personally acknowledge the contribution of technical support team of Regional Training Center, Jharkhand Zone H, under the able guidance of our Assistant Regional Officer Sahib, Dr. Hajra Sahib. At last, but not the least, I just pray to the Almighty. Almighty must shower blessings on all of us so that we, along with our family members, stay healthy, stay safe, and we work for the welfare of the mankind. इतनी शक्ति आपको दे दाता, चले नेक रास्ते पर भूल कर भी कोई भूल हो ना. थैंक सुचित्रा, मैडम सुचित्रा.
Yes, sir.
We are here at your disposal now.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
We are here now at your disposal.
Yes, sir. Thank you. And now I, on behalf of the Regional Training Center, Jharkhand Zone H, would like to thank our visionary cluster head, Sri S.K. Mishra, for constantly guiding us, supporting us, and motivating us to make this capacity building program a successful one. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot. Now,
Ma'am, Shanti Path, Shanti Path.
now we will have the Shanti part. And we have here Shri Yogeshwar Sharma, Dr. Sanjay Roy, Shri Dhirendra Pandey for the Shanti part.
शांति अंतरिक्षं शांति पृथ्वी शांतिराकाश शांति सदय शांति शांति
सबको नमस्ते।